How to create PIN in Messenger and reset end-to-end encrypted chat PIN code. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create PIN in Messenger and reset the end-to-end encrypted chat PIN code. The first step is to open the Messenger mobile application as you can see here. You will land on the app's homepage just as you can see here. Next, tap on the menu option. It is this icon that appears here at the top left corner of the screen. A side panel with several options will appear as you can see. From the options that appear here, make sure you tap this one here with the gear icon. It is the settings option. This is the Messenger settings page. On this page, there are various settings that you can use to manage and make changes to the settings of the app. Next, scroll down. Continue scrolling down until you reach this part of the page. From the options here, make sure you tap this option here named Privacy and Safety. This is the Privacy and Safety page of Facebook Messenger. On this page, there are options that you can use to manage and make changes to the privacy of your account. From them, scroll down and tap this option here named End-to-End Encrypted Chats. After you tap on them, this other page will appear here. Next, tap this option here named Message Storage. This other page appears. Next, make sure you tap this option named Turn on Secure Storage. After that, you have to create the PIN. As you can see, there are two options here. From the options, choose the top one, which is normally selected automatically. When ready, tap here, Continue. Now, go ahead and enter your PIN. Make sure you enter the PIN twice correctly. As you can see, the PIN has been created. You can also reset the PIN. To this, the process is easy. All you have to do is to tap on this option here named Reset PIN. Next, go ahead and enter the new PIN here. Make sure you enter it again to confirm they both match. The process is that simple. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! That is how to create PIN in Messenger and reset the end-to-end encrypted chat PIN code.